I think this is generally the toughest part of each of the projects, when you're down here under the floor with all the dust and grit from the underlay. But at least in this case, Chewy's actually in very, very good condition. There's no repairs needed down here, and a clean up and then a retreatment will preserve it for a long time into the future. I'm going to put all these nuts and bolts that I left in place into some of the already used evapor rust, and that will clean up the threads and freshen them up to put back in after all this is done. I was hoping not to have to disturb the brake system too much in this project, but having gone in this far, it'd be an absolute shame not to lower these pipes and get in effectively at this seam, which is a little bit hungry. There's a little bit of rust started on it there, so going in deep. This is definitely the tough bit. It's in really good condition. The original rust proofing has really done its job over the last 27 years. There's just a couple of little bits where I'm actually getting down to bare metal with a little bit of rust starting on it. So I'll only need to primer up those bits, and then I can put a new layer of stone chip shield on over that. Spraying my shocks went pretty well, so the next step is to have a go at the underfloor of the Charade, and we'll get closer and closer to having a go at some body work. I'm going to mix up a small batch again, just like I did the last time. I've given Chewy a couple of layers of the zinc primer, and now I'm going to use this stone chip shield, and I've got a schutz gun to apply it.